Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mr. John here. So today we're here to make another healthy snack. Hey, everybody loves candy. You see this? Throw it out of there. So today we're going to make some ants on the log, some celery, raisins, peanut butter. Guys, you're going to have to cut your celery, so you're going to need parent supervision for the teens, and for school-age children, you're going to have to get your parents to cut your celery. So, with that being said, let's have some fun. Alright guys, so we're back. So the first thing we're going to do, we got to rinse our fresh celery. Always rinse off your vegetables because there could be bugs on it, pesticides, things of that nature. So, I'm going to rinse the whole celery off. The ones I want to use. You're not going to need all the celery. Alright. From here, the celery is washed, rinse it off nice and clean. Take your knife right here, cut the stalks off. Top part off. Alright, so once you cut the tops off, cut your celery in half. And then you get your logs right here. These are your logs for your ants right here. Then take some peanut butter. Spread your peanut butter on the logs, the celery. I hope all of y'all are having a great day out there on this wonderful, wonderful Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Mr. John's going to have tacos later on today. Healthy tacos, of course. Alright, got your peanut butter. Guys, don't worry about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's all right to be messy. Mr. John's like to get messy. Alright, our logs are done. So after our logs are done, take our raisins, which will be your ants on the logs. Pour some out on your hand. Just place your ants on the log. Ants. Ants, ants, ants. Some more ants. Alright, so you have your ants on the logs. When you're done, it should look just like this. Guys, this is a great healthy snack. I love them. It's very good. Bon appetit. Pretty good. So, I hope you have a great day, guys. I miss y'all. And can't wait to see y'all next week or whenever we get back in the swing of things. But y'all have a great day.